The basic functionality of ls command is to list files and directory. We can use flags, also known as options, to modify the operation of command and make it more useful for us. One of the basic flags is L, long listing format, A for all directories, R for recursive actions, and H for human readable output. I have opened a terminal window. Inside that I am going to type ls. It has listed all the directories and files in the current directory. With the -l flag, it has typed all the details regarding the files and folders present in this directory, such as the owner, the groups, the time it was created, and all the permissions. Now the ls-a flag lists all the hidden directories or files. Some hidden files are here, starting with full stop. It has listed all of them. The next flag, -r, lists all the content of a directory in a recursive fashion. So if I wanted to list the nested directory or the folders that are inside it, I would use -r. So ls-r, it is listing everything that is present in this folder. Let's skip past it. Let's recursively list a folder called postman. So I'll write ls-r postman. So it is showing it has a folder named files and rest of the things are empty. Let's create a new empty file in the test directory by using touch command. If I do ls-r test, it will recursively show whatever is inside of that test directory. In this case, it has one folder called child directory, which is empty, and there is one file, textfile.txt, which it is showing. If I do ls-lh, -l is for long listing format, h to make the output human readable, I will get this kind of output where I will be able to easily identify the user's permissions and groups associated with the contents of the current directory. That is all about ls command. Thanks for watching.